beautiful souls. I'm Dr. Vidhu Vasudev. I'm a counseling psychologist, clinical hypnotherapist, and also a spiritual healer. In my YouTube channel, you will find videos or talks on emotional wellness related subjects. Today, I'm here to talk about the topic believe in yourself. Because during this time of uncertainty, we should definitely have trust in ourselves to face any situations, any difficult situations, and also in our mental strength to go and get what we want. Believing yourself will open up endless possibilities in your life. No matter how talented or how much greater ideas you have, if you don't believe in yourself, you will not be able to excel in your life. Sadly, throughout our life, because of some people and life events, we feed negative ideas about ourselves. We have to undo all those thoughts and retrain our mind to believe in ourselves and our abilities to do whatever we love to do. Find some time and get into your thoughts and find out what do you think about yourself. Find out who you are and what you love to do. Once it is done, we are ready to change our thoughts. If it is negative and demotivating. Usually, people start to doubt themselves and their abilities when they meet with failure. If you see failures are your end, then you will fall into depression every time you fail. But if you believe failure is stepping stone to success, then you will find the courage to rise again and take necessary steps. It is all inside your head, both failure and success. Let us look into some steps to start believing yourself. Number 1, accept yourself and the current situation you are in. Once you find out who you are and what kind of situation you are in, only favor you can do to yourself is accept yourself and the situation you are in. If you resist to accept it, it will only damage you in the process. So accept it and make peace with how your life looks at this moment. We need to gather enough energy to change our life. Second point is forgiveness. If your current situation is bad, don't blame anyone. Even if you think you are the reason, don't blame yourself. This is not the time to do blame game. Understand the reason and forgive that reason. Tell yourself that you are forgiving that certain person or a situation or yourself or a past experience that you feel is the reason. Tell yourself that even if this situation seems to be a failure, it taught you some important lesson and it helped you to make a better person. Forgiveness is a powerful tool to move on. Third point is list your past achievements. Take a paper and list out whatever you achieved in the past, be it a simple thing or some great achievements. Just go through those events and relive those proud feelings. It will reboost your mind and energy. Fourth point, self-talk. Give maximum time to yourself and have a conversation with yourself. Filter all negative talks and feed yourself the idea of success and your ability to achieve it. Don't expect others' approval or motivation when you can do better for yourself. You are who you are only because what you think about yourself. Constantly feeding encouraging words to your mind will reboost your energy, and once your subconscious mind believes what you are telling, then it will become your reality. Trust your subconscious mind is the fifth point. Our subconscious mind has unlimited power. Everything in the universe is within you. All treasures, abundance, and even scantiness. Choose what you want and tap into it. Meditate on abundance, success, power, courage, and confidence. Our subconscious mind has the power to grant those wishes. So trust your subconscious mind and make it happen. 6 point, set realistic goals and work hard towards it. Now you know your skill and abilities. It is time to set your goals. List out what you want to do in your life and the steps to achieve it. Work out all the possibilities to make it success, be it some skill training or some management lessons or some refreshment course. Anything that can boost your confidence. Eat, drink, breathe, and sleep on the goal. 7 point, visualization. Once you know what you want to do, visualize it. Do some daydreaming. Visualize the successful meetings, applause, presentation, appreciation, success, everything that you want to happen. Visualize again and again. Experience the feelings that you have when you achieve something in your visualization. Let this feeling linger in you and it will help you to achieve what you want with ease. 8 point, positive attitude and gratitude. During the process, if any negative feeling like fear or self-doubt pops up, thank them that they showed up and make sure to eradicate them. Don't ignore those feelings. Acknowledge it and face it. If you run away from it, it will follow you anywhere you go, whatever you do. So face it and do whatever possible so that the fear or the self-doubt doesn't matter to you. Express gratitude to the universe, to self, to the opportunities, and to life at every step. 9 point, follow the flow. When you find your life's flow, follow it. Don't let anything stop you. Realize that life is so precious and you are here for a purpose. When you are on the path, universe will help you to achieve whatever you want. Because you are so precious for the universe, it will bestow the best thing. No matter what you face during your journey, understand that you are going to win at the end of the day. Nothing in the universe can defeat you except you yourself. So believe in yourself and do the best. Success will be yours. Bye-bye.